Very good morning. The Indira Gandhi Government Dental College Jammu is participating in International Yoga Day on 21st June 2020. And this International Yoga Day has a specific significance, being the entire population in the world over is affected because of pandemic. So this year, the government of India, the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, celebrating the Yoga Day online from the home. So everybody, every doctors, every faculty, every student, paramedical staff, supporting staff, administrative staff, technical staff is performing yoga from their home, and they are being asked once during their performance of yoga in the home, they can upload they can upload their videos. They can upload their videos from home, or they can upload their pics also from the home. So yoga has a great significance. That this year, since this yoga day is confined from the home, so the theme of the yoga, we have kept it as a yoga at the rate of home and yoga with the family. So all the faculty, all the staff, all the administrative staff is advised to upload videos of yogas, asanas, and the benefit of yoga, all we know, are the immense. The benefit of yoga in boosting the immunity and overall well-being of an individual. Yoga not only meant for the physical health, it has a great impact on your mental health, and the health is a combination of both physical and mental health, and the yoga gives immense solace, tranquility in the well-being of the mental health. And yoga, as you know, is an invaluable gift of the ancient Indian tradition. It embodies unity of mind and body, thought and action. Yoga is also gives that, you see, once we are doing the yoga, person lands up into the another confine of the world. He is at a peace, he is at a solace, his thinking, his perception becomes different from all other individuals. He is always, there is no stress to the individual, or whenever he has a stress, those stress he can cope up well once he is doing the yoga. So this year as I said, all our doctors, all our faculty, all our students participated in this yoga day. And I was seeing their pics, they have done wonderful. I can really see the talent in our faculty. I can see the talent in our students and even our sporting staff, administrative, technical staff. Each and everybody is doing yoga in such a fine way. And I hope not only on this day they will perform this kind of action, they will keep on performing the yoga. They should make it a part of their routine for the entire life. And it has a tremendous benefit, which I told you before also. And for this, organizing this entire event, I extend my gratitude to all the faculties member, all the administrative staff, all the students, doctors, paramedical staff, for participating in this mega event. Last but not least, the efforts, the pain taken by the organizer, the coordinator of this event, Dr. Akshay Gupta, head of orthodontics. He is in charge of the sports of this institution also. He has taken a great pain in organizing this mega event. No doubt everybody was performing from the home. What he has coordinated with each and every doctor, every faculty member, every student, all the staff, and he has organized in such a way, in such a comprehensive action that this event became memorable. And I again once thank Dr. Akshay Gupta from the bottom of my heart for performing his role as a coordinator in such an efficient manner. And I sincerely request all my doctors, all my students, and all the staff of the Indira Gandhi Government Dental College and Hospital to make yoga as a habit for their entire life, so that a good well-being, a good health, once you are healthy physically and mentally, half of your problems are over. So once again, I thanks each and everybody. My special thanks to everybody, to each and everybody of this institution, the coordinator. Namaskar, Jai Hind, Jai India. Thank you very much.